Good morning, my YouTube family. This is the day that we review Fenty Skin. Oh my God. I've been waiting for almost since they released it. And I knew it was going to be especially a unisex skincare line. I wanted to make sure I gave you guys a true review about it. I literally ordered it on the 29th when they had early access. I went to the whole VIP party. I did the whole experience for this particular product, but most importantly was actually receiving the product and actually using it. Not just to say, oh, I got it just to do a review, but to actually use it and get true results. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this morning my pores are super small. I really just don't really have any big pores, and it's literally 7 in the morning. Most importantly though, I wanted you guys to show you how clear my skin is this morning. I don't really have a lot of blemishes, red spots, breakouts. I actually have really great skin, but sometimes I have really big strong issues with discoloration, and sometimes I just get random breakouts in the middle of my forehead. If you notice, right here is a little spot from a breakout recently, so I do get breakouts. So these products are good for people who have amazing skins and people who want to give their skin a little bit of a challenge for improvement. So guys, without further ado, let's watch some things. Guys, I was very sad that I didn't get the influencer box or her photo, but most importantly, we got the cleanser, we got the fat toner or fat water toner, and we have our moisturizer. So let's jump into step one. Step one is all about cleaning the skin. It's all about getting rid of all of that excess oil and excess dirt that may be clogging your pores. Go ahead and apply a small amount to your finger or to the palm of your hand and work it into your face. And guys, while you're lathering your face with the cleanser, just take into the account of the smell, the texture of the cleanser. I know a lot of times I've run across cleanser that doesn't really lather my face. As you're drying, don't rub, don't pull on your skin. Keep it nice and tight and clean. So let's jump into step two. Now, the fat water, I'm sorry, it is my favorite product of this particular collection. The Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum is outstanding. It instantly refines the look of pores, reducing the look of dark spots and an even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. As I was telling you guys, that is one of the issues that I have right now, is that my skin does not have an even complexion, but I do believe that I have seen a total difference in using this over the past 7 days in the definition of my pores, as well as the texture and the complexion of my skin. Guys, for our final step, let's get into this moisturizer. It is a Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer with a broad spectrum of an SPF 30 sunscreen. If anybody knows that that is the best thing you can do for your skin, it's not only to moisturize it, but to include a sunscreen, and Fenty Skin has done a 2-in-1. The best part about this sunscreen moisturizer is that it is lightweight, it is oil-free, and it is truly invisible on all skins. The best thing about all 3 of these products is that they're really rich in antioxidants, they're really rich in vitamins, and they are absolutely made organically, cruelty-free. And I think that I have not yet found a product that has offered me all of these, and I can't wait to give you guys future reviews on all of this.